Hello guys, I'm out in the woods with my friend Kristen. So
hi.
Today I'm working on my sail tool for a little bit. It's over there. We're gonna make a faraway hill. We have some nice hot tea, and we're gonna show you a quick demo here on how to sharpen a axe or a knife or anything with sharpening stones.
There you go. Here's your normal axe or hatchet, whatever you prefer. Take your rough, coarse one, your stone, go with it. Go up, down. You just keep on doing this until you see it sharp on this one side. You flip it over to the other side. You can switch its size a little bit. Check it, see if it's nice and tidy. Then you get rid of this one, then you use your softer one. This one you could do back and forth like this. You switch it over to this side, you do this side.
Okay, that is how you sharpen a axe with sharpening stones. Okay, my next video will be a new file starter that I found. It looks great, and well, I'll show you that in the next video. Yeah, bye.